6th December, commemorating the 68th death anniversary of Mahamanav Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is also popularly known as Baba Sahib. He went to Heavenly Award on 6th December 1956. He was born to a Dalit family in 1891 at a time when caste-based discrimination was rampant. Dr. Ambedkar experienced first-hand the cruelties of the caste system. Yet, instead of giving up or accepting his fate, he used his mind and education as tools to fight for change. Dr. Ambedkar once said, "I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved." This shows how progressive his thoughts were, not only for marginalized communities, but for all sections of society, including women. He believed that true progress would only be possible if everyone had the equal opportunities and rights. The journey of the Indian Constitution. The creation of the Indian Constitution was no easy task. Dr. Ambedkar, as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, worked tirelessly with a team of brilliant minds to draft a constitution that would protect the rights of every citizen, regardless of their religion, caste, gender, or economic status. Dr. Ambedkar wanted the Indian Constitution to be a living document, one that would grow and change with time. He famously said, "Law and order are the medicine of the body politic, and when the body politic is sick, medicine must be administered." This means that law should evolve to meet the needs of society as it progresses. For instance, when Dr. Ambedkar spoke about equality, he was not only referring to political equality, but also social and economic equality. He believed that true freedom could only be achieved if every individual had the equal opportunities to succeed, irrespective of their background. Dr. Ambedkar's vision of equality and social justice. Dr. Ambedkar was deeply committed to the idea of social justice. He worked hard to ensure that the Indian Constitution provides rights and protections for the most vulnerable sections of society, including Dalits, women and minorities. He was the driving force behind many provisions in the Constitution that promote social justice, such as the abolition of untouchability, equal rights for all citizens, and the right to freedom of speech and religion. He often reminded us that justice has always among ideas of equality, of proportion, of compensation. In short, justice is another name of liberty, equality, and fraternity. These principles, liberty, equality, and fraternity, are the bedrock of a democracy. They remind us that we are all equal in the eyes of law and that no one should be discriminated against or treated unfairly because of who they are. The importance of education. One of the greatest lessons we can learn from Dr. Ambedkar is the importance of education. He believed that education was the key to empowerment. As he rightly said, cultivation of minds to be the ultimate aim of the human existence. He dedicated his life to spreading the message that education could break the chains of ignorance and oppression. An example of this can be seen in Dr. Ambedkar's own life. Despite facing immense discrimination, he pursued higher education, becoming one of the most educated men of his time. He earned multiple degrees from prestigious institutions including Columbia University and the London School of Economics. His education gave him the tools to fight for justice and equality, and he encouraged others to do the same. A legacy of hope and determination. Dr. Ambedkar's life and work continue to inspire millions of people around the world. His message of equality and social justice is as relevant today as it was when he was alive. He reminds us that we are all equal in the eyes of law and that no one should be discriminated against or treated unfairly because of who they are. Conclusion. Continue Dr. Ambedkar's work. Let us remember that the work of building just society is not finished. Dr. Ambedkar, as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, worked tirelessly with a team of brilliant minds to draft a constitution that would protect the rights of every citizen, regardless of their religion, caste, gender, or economic status. Let us honor Dr. Ambedkar's legacy by fighting against discrimination, standing up for the rights of the marginalized, and ensuring that every citizen of India can live with dignity and freedom. Thank you, JB.
Very good, very good.
खरं तर आज टाळ्या वाजवण्याचा दिवस नाहीये, पण या छोट्याशा बालकांनी बाबासाहेबांनी आपल्याला संविधानाच्या मार्फत या सोसायटीला, या माणसाला काय अधिकार दिले सर्व त्यांनी इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलून दाखवले आणि हे खरंच कौतुकास्पद आहे. आपण सर्वजण एकदा पुन्हा जोरदार त्या बालकासाठी टाळ्या वाजवल्या पाहिजे. धन्यवाद. त्यानंतर या बालकाला बक्षीस म्हणून आदरणीय रवींद्रजी कटारे यांनी रोज पारितोषिक रोज 500 रुपये देण्यात येत आहे. मी आदरणीय रवींद्रजी कटारे यांना विनंती करतो की आपण स्वतः त्या मुलाला मला आदरणीय पिसे साहेब आपणास विनंती आहे की आपण या मुलाचं या ठिकाणी बक्षीस द्यायचं आहे.